In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail. If your inbox is overflowing with newsletters, notifications, or messages from a single source. This quick walkthrough will help you clear them out in a few clicks while keeping you in control of what gets removed. First, go to Gmail in your web browser. Using a desktop view makes it easier to see everything at once. Once you're on your inbox, make sure you're looking at the account where the messages you want to remove are stored. Give Gmail a second to load fully so the search and toolbar options are ready. Next, move to the search bar at the top of the page. Type from, followed by a colon, and then the sender's email address with no spaces. It should look like from, followed immediately by the address. This tells Gmail to show only the messages sent by that specific sender. Press Enter to run the search. You'll now see a filtered list of emails matching that sender. Take a quick glance down the list to confirm the results look right. If needed, you can slightly adjust the address in the search box and press Enter again until the list shows exactly what you want to remove. With the results on screen, click the checkbox at the very top left of the message list, just above your first email. This selects all conversations that are currently visible on the page. If you have a large number of emails and they span multiple pages, remember that this checkbox selects only what you can see on that page. You can repeat the same selection and deletion process on each page until you've cleared them all. Now click the delete icon at the top of the list. It looks like a trash can. Gmail will move the selected messages to the trash, where they'll stay for up to 30 days before being permanently removed. If you change your mind right away, look for the brief undo option that appears at the bottom of the screen after you delete. You can also open your trash within that 30-day window to restore a message if necessary. That's it. You went to Gmail, searched using from, and the sender's address, pressed Enter to filter, selected the messages with the top left checkbox, and clicked Delete. This simple method helps you quickly clean up your inbox while keeping safety nets in place in case you need something back. Repeat the same search approach anytime you want to tidy messages from a particular sender.